Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we can put into negative number 3 cosecant of s squared. The integration of negative and cosecant of s squared, we will have about 3 cotangent of s, and we put about c, and this is the final answer. Question number 2, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of tan x plus 2. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Now, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First, derivative of u square in here. You got about 2u, and we put about du. First, derivative of tan x, we have 1 over cosine s squared. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. So we just have the s. Now we go back in here. The square root we change by u. The s over cosine s squared we change by 2u du. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So we have number 2. The integration of this one, we have 2u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.